on that whiskey highway, and I'm going full throttle. Leave it all on this bar like there's no tomorrow. But wanna slide another my way, make it tall like a model. 'Cause I'm looking for a sign that there's life at the end of the bottle.
Hitting the road, yeah, I'm back on the trail. Gotta clear my thoughts and figure out my tale. When life just gets too crazy for me, and storms in my life are the story of me. I need long driveways and rusty fence posts, haunted memories from past its ghosts. Hit a long stretch, let emotions drift. I hear alone in the wind, I let my feelings twist. What's life got to say? It's been weeks, you see. Out here on the road, life speaks to me. Peaceful scenery, dusty cobwebs, rolling wheat fields and rusty sheds. These images in life inspire my mind. Happiness in life I desire to find. All across this land, surrounded by lost, I'm pulling over at a dive and I'm drowning my thoughts.
Just drifting away. You know I'm drifting away. Out here on the road, looking for some sign. What's life got to say? What's life got to